Alright, so we had a match against AM 2v2 Bullets. Disputed, of course, right? So during the match, me and my partner and I received some difficulty on our connection. Come over to my log right here, right? Scroll all the way down here. So when it was DOS attack, as you can see, and time, that is approximately 11:15, which 11:15 minus 2 hours for Pacific time. So 1:15 minus 2 hours, 11:15 Pacific time. And as you can see here, just keep going. Alright, so last one was at 22. Alright, thanks for watching the video.